Hey everyone, welcome to my unboxing, setup, and review of the Kawa D8 Dash Cam. Inside this video, we're going to see whether or not this dash cam is worth it. Inside of the box for the Kawa D8, we start off with a high endurance SD card, which is really nice for storing all of your footage, and you get 64 gigabytes in this card. Next we have the user manual, a couple of installation guides, and we have 3 different compartments here. Let's start with this one, and inside we have the main dash cam unit. This is going to be the camera that films everything that is going on in front of a vehicle. Inside of this compartment right here, we have all of the different installation parts, including the cords, the sticky pads, and the rear recorder. Lastly, let's go ahead and check out to see what is inside this compartment. And in here, it looks like we have a few different things. We have this tool right here, which is great for installing the cable throughout the car. We have the power adapter for the car, and it also includes a USB port for the camera. And we have another cord for our main camera. You really do get a lot of equipment, making it simple to install the camera, which is exactly what we're going to do now. So let's go ahead and install both the front dash cam and the rear camera inside my vehicle. Okay, I have the dash cam here. Let's go ahead and install the front camera and the rear camera, and I'll show you how to do that. First things first, if you want extra storage to store your footage, then you can go ahead and take that SD card and put it into the SD card slot on the side of the main dash cam. Now we can take our electrostatic sticker and we can place it on our windshield wherever we're going to be placing the dash cam. And just like that, it's installed. Now we can go ahead and install the dash cam right onto the sticker. I'll just line up the sticky part of the pad and attach it to the sticker just like so, and it sticks no problem. After installing the power adapter, we take the other side of the cord and we install it onto the side of the dash cam. So now that we've installed the front camera, let's go ahead and install the rear camera. Now when installing the rear camera, you'll notice that it is attached to the dash cam with this micro USB cord. So we want to do our best to hide this cord, and to do that, we're going to be using this tool here to pry back the foam of the upper part of the vehicle, and we're just going to be stuffing the cord all along the vehicle. It just makes it look a whole lot cleaner if you do that, and you will hardly notice the cord going back to the rear camera. Now, just like the front camera, we're going to be using an electrostatic sticker here, and we're going to be taking off this piece of plastic, revealing the sticky pad, and sticking it onto the rear of the vehicle. Okay, now we are fully set up with the rear camera and the dash cam. Let's go ahead and go through all the different settings, and then we'll jump into the app, and I'll show you some video footage of me driving around with the dash cam and the rear camera. Okay, here's our dash cam all set up. First, I want to show you this button here. This will make it so that you can see what's happening in the rear cam or the front dash cam. Now this is going to look a little bit cloudy just because my back window is a little bit dirty, but otherwise it would be similar quality to the front. This right here is going to be your emergency recording button, and it will start an emergency video recording if you hit that. This third button here is going to take you to the album. Once you're in the album section, you can cycle through normal video, emergency, parking monitor, time lapse, and photos, and all of that's going to be accessed through here, or it will be in the app for the phone. Our last button here is going to be our settings button, and this is where you can go through the video settings, system settings, formatting the SD card, factory reset, and all kinds of upgrades and apps. So all of that is inside of the dash cam, but I prefer using the phone app, which I'm going to show you now. When you log into the app, the first thing you're going to do is connect your dash cam to the app, and then once you do that, you can go in and check out all of the different settings, as well as see a live feed of the front camera and the rear camera. So here we have the live feed of the front, and I can switch it back over to the rear camera, and we have a front middle line and a horizontal vanishing line. I can also take this to full screen, and then I can record from this option or take a photo. It also shows me in the top left that we're currently recording. Now from here, I can go into the settings and I can turn on and off mic recording, voice control, speaker volume, recording time, managing the micro SD card, and all the settings that you would find in the dash cam. I can also take a photo at any time by hitting this button, and once we do that, I can go into my app, turn off recording, and I can take a look at the photo that I just took, and it shows up right there. We can also find all of the videos, all of the emergency videos, parking monitor videos, time lapses, and photos inside of the album through the app. But there really is a lot that you can do inside the app, and I just prefer it over using the manual controls on the dash cam, just because it's so much more simpler and streamlined. Now go ahead and drive around and show you the result footage from the dash cam and the rear camera. After seeing the results of the footage, I was really impressed with the quality of the front dash cam. In hindsight, I do wish that I cleaned my window for the rear cam because that footage would look a whole lot better. But other than that, both of them looked really great and I loved the quality of the footage. I thought it did a great job of recording in real time, and it also records sound inside of the cabin of the car. So in my opinion, it just works. Now I was sent this dash cam by Kawa to test inside this video, and after my initial testing, I really do like this dash cam. And I think the reason is because it's so simple to use. The app is a breeze, and I feel like the video quality is fair, especially considering how compact the camera is. Overall, I would recommend this dash cam and rear camera to anybody who wants a simple to set up and easy to use dash cam and camera system that constantly records both the front view, the rear view, and the audio of the cabin of the vehicle. So if that's something that you're looking for, I would definitely recommend the Kawa D8. I feel like it is a fantastic dash cam, and there really wasn't that many flaws with it because it was so simple to set up, the app was streamlined, and the quality of the video was pretty good in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. If you're interested in more videos like this one, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm David, and I test, review, and compare home products, and I will see all of you guys inside of my next video.